Good evening, children. I am Vetti Chelvi from Vetti Individual Chemistry. Today I am going to upload the video regarding the inductive effect. In the general organic chemistry, inductive effect is very important. My sincere advice is again for you. Those are preparing for the meal, you go for previous year question paper. Now we are going to see the inductive effect. Today onwards I am going to upload the video in the bilanguage system, that is in the English as well as the Tamil. Okay, now let us see. Today the topic is inductive effect. Okay, here if you are here taking the concern with the inductive effect, you are having the carbon number 4 with the chlorine. So what is the important knowledge is electronegativity of carbon is less than the electronegativity of chlorine. Okay, in this case, because of the more electronegativity, the electron is more attracted towards chlorine. So on this carbon atom, there is a formation of one positive charge. Here this is another positive charge, and that means what? Here positive created, the electron is what is happening more towards that. So this carbon having formation of again positive charge. Now what is happening? This electron is moving towards here. So on the carbon atom there is a formation of another positive charge. Here the positive charges are not same, just for representation it is given. So ultimately what is happening is this electron displacement along the sigma bond, or we can call it as a covalent bond in organic compounds, that is called as a inorganic compounds, it is your covalent compounds. What is happening is this is electron displacement along the covalent bond in organic compound due to the presence of electron withdrawing or electron donating. Electron withdrawing or electron donating group is called as a inductive effect. Call it as inductive effect. This is the definition for inductive effect. Next we are going to see what are the properties of inductive effect is point number 1. It is the permanent effect. This is point number 1. Number 2, it will travel only after carbon number 3. After carbon number 3, this effect will be dies. So now the effect dies after carbon number 3. So these are the important points we have to keep in the regarding inductive effect. This is in the case where the electron is moving here. So this one is, you can call it as a minus I effect. That is minus I effect means electron is moving towards the group, or we can say electron is moving away from the carbon chain. That is the here afterwards is become 0. Now let us see in the next category. What is the next category is plus I effect. In the plus I effect, what is the condition is electronegativity of carbon is greater than the electronegativity of your Y. Here it is represent the group. So because of this is having more electron, this electron is moving towards here. So now there is a formation of negative charge, and this is going on till this effect is called the plus I effect. So what is the plus I effect? Electron is moving, what is it called, out of the ring, so this chain, so it is called plus I effect, and this group is called as a electron withdrawing group, and this is called as a electron releasing group, and this one is called as a electron withdrawing group. This is called as a electron releasing group. That's all. So these are the representation and definition and the characteristics of your inductive effect. Now let us see the application of the inductive effect. It is designed the assistant basis step is the main criteria for your inductive effect. Now let us see the first point with the assistant. Yes, application of your inductive effect. Now let us have application of your inductive effect. Okay, before going to that, let us see what is the meaning of, what is the condition is acid strength. Acid strength is directly proportional to minus effect and inversely proportional to the plus effect. That is the condition for acid strength. Okay, now let us take the example with the simple one. Now this is your, what is it called as a acetic acid, and here I am writing acetic acid with a monochloroacetic acid. Let us consider here. Now this is electron releasing group, so now this is coming out, and this is that meaning what? It is easy to go because of the electron withdrawing group. This is easy to go. If it is easy to go, mean it is called it as a strong acid. So this is only represent here.